Don't want to lose your apps, photos, or messages when resetting your phone? Here's how to reset safely without wiping your data. This works for both Android and iPhone. Let's start with Android. Go to Settings, scroll to System, then tap Reset Options. Choose Erase All Data, but before you confirm, make sure Google Backup is turned on. To do that, go back to Settings, tap Google, then Backup, and turn on Backup by Google One. Once it finishes backing up, you're safe to reset. When the phone reboots, log into your Google account and select Restore from Backup. Now for iPhone. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then go to iCloud and choose iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now and wait until it completes. Then, go back to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. After it reboots, log into iCloud and choose Restore from Backup. And if you're resetting your phone because of a virus or security issue, do this next time instead. Use NordVPN. It protects your data, blocks malware, and right now you can get it with a huge discount through my link below. That's it. Your phone is reset, and your data is safe. Like and subscribe for more fast fixes.